In this tutorial, we'll be talking about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs, similar to a real-life dictionary where a word, the key, is associated with its definition, the value. Let's take a look at the different ways to create a dictionary in Python. The first way to create a dictionary is by using curly brackets. Let's create a dictionary of fruits and their colors using this method. Here we created a dictionary called fruit_colors using curly brackets and assigned it to the variable name fruit_colors. The keys are the fruit names and the values are their respective colors. We printed the dictionary using the print statement and the output shows the key value pairs enclosed in curly brackets. The second way to create a dictionary is by using the dict constructor with keyword arguments. Let's create the same fruit_colors dictionary using this method. Here we created a dictionary called fruit_colors using the dict constructor and assigned it to the variable name fruit_colors. We used keyword arguments to specify the key value pairs. We printed the dictionary using the print statement and the output is the same as the previous example. The third way to create a dictionary is by using the dict constructor with a list of tuples. Let's create a dictionary of days and their corresponding temperatures using this method. Here we created a dictionary called day_temperatures using the dict constructor and assigned it to the variable name day_temperatures. We created a list of tuples where each tuple contains a key value pair. We passed this list of tuples as an argument to the dict constructor. We printed the dictionary using the print statement and the output shows the key value pairs enclosed in curly brackets. And that's how you can create dictionaries in Python. You can choose the method that works best for your needs. Have fun exploring dictionaries in Python.